Hello again. Although we haven't moved very far, there's quite a few new things to see here. Growing along both sides of this track is this variegated yellow archangel, which is one of the earlier flowers to appear. It's a domesticated version of a wild flower that must have escaped or been dumped here at some point. Each year it flowers earlier than the wild ones do. We'll see the wild version later on in the wood. Also growing here is greater stitchwort. It was thought to be a favoured flower of fairies, who were seen as being malign, and thus picking a flower would bring bad luck. Further down the track, and all along the walk, you'll find white dead nettle. This has been used as a pot herb and a herbal drink. It's called dead nettle because their leaves are a similar shape to those of stinging nettles, but have no sting. It flowers throughout the year. Another plant growing nearby is ground ivy, especially near where the track crosses the bed of a little stream, a few yards further on. This plant has been used in many ways. Its leaves were used to flavour beer before hops were. It can also be used to make herb tea, and also in cheese making as a substitute for animal rennet. And also growing near the stream are some goat willow trees. In spring, these have lots of pussy willow, which is actually the male catkins of the tree. This means that we know that these are male trees because the male and female flowers grow on separate trees. The painkiller aspirin is derived from salicin, a compound found in the bark of all willow trees. In medieval times, people used to chew the bark to release the salicin to cure pain. Some spring flowers come out later than the others. One of the more striking of these is red campion. The roots of this plant contain a chemical called saponin. This can be extracted by boiling and then used as a soap when washing clothes. And another flower that appears a bit later on in the year is speedwell, which you will see anywhere where there is a grassy area. There are around 20 species in the UK, but the one you will see is predominantly Germander speedwell. Its attractiveness, as it grew alongside ancient roads, was considered to be a good luck charm for travellers, hence its name. And finally along here, this unobtrusive flower is garlic mustard. Its leaves were used in salads and to make sauces, while its seeds were used as flavourings. The caterpillars of a number of butterflies and moths use garlic mustard as a food plant, and it's particularly important for the orange tip and green-veined white butterflies. The next location in the guide is further down this track, where there's a thicket on the left-hand side. Here's me standing in the right place. It's what 3 words coordinates are: shifting, reduce, florists.